Good
Hello.
morning everyone.
Yes.
Good morning sa atin sa VNC team, yan sa atin sa Zoom and magandang umaga din po sa ating FB Live. So totoo yan. Thank you Coach Teen sa yung introduction and I agree with sa sinabi mo that 70% talaga ng magandang pakiramdam is through our digestion. Okay. So yan, my name is Coach Benny. I'm from Las Piñas. I'm one of the supervisors of Herbalife. So before Herbalife, ako po ay housewife na lahat ng leftover na pagkain ng mga anak ko ay kinakain ko dahil sa paghihinayang na ito ay masayang lang or mapanis lamang, no? So hindi ko napapansin. So through panghihinayang, lumaki po ako ng ganyan. At kakambal po ng paglaki ng ganyan is alam po naman natin na mga discomfort, headache, masakit na kasukasuan, at may lahi kami ng mga diabetes, high blood pressure, and ayoko pong mamana yon. And I believe that 70% po ng magandang kalusugan ay nakasalalay sa ating mga kamay and only 30% yung pwede nating mamana sa ating mga magulang or sa ating kanununuan. Right? Agree. If you agree with what I have said, please type 1 sa ating chat box. Yan. So, napakahalaga ng ating VNC, no? Itong VNC natin because yung community na to ay araw-araw nagre-remind sa atin for mga special topic and also about healthy breakfast and all. And lahat, Herbalife is about sharing, telling of stories, no? So talagang nakaka-inspire yung mga story that we have here sa ating VNC at lalo tayong namomotivate, especially yung mga bago natin sa program, ay nabibigyan natin ng malaking hope, ng malaking pag-asa na sila din, they can do better and that they can be the best version of themselves katulad po natin dito, no? So we are all in sa ating anong tawag dito, we are all in progress, no? So napakaganda because ang ating produkto, ang Herbalife is na bukod sa produkto, napakaganda dahil meron siyang tinatawag na business opportunity dahil before ako ay nagkaroon ako ng result, ayaw ko naman talaga siyang i-business. Eh nakita ko po yung magandang resulta ko, doon talaga sumibol yung passion ko na hindi ko na maiwasan i-share it to people. Tapos nag-attend ako ng mga event po at doon ko nakita that the best level po pala sa Herbalife is yung 50%, yung level ng discount. So parang kung ikaw ay nandiyan dyan, nakikinig ngayon, at ikaw ay for personal consumption, for family lang ang gamit mo ng iyong intention, hindi ka pa rin lugi kung ikaw ay mag-decide na mag 50%. Kasi buy one, take one, at marami pa pong benefits na pwede mo ma-enjoy. So kung ikaw naman ay nandiyan dyan, hindi lang dahil sa maganda katulad ko, nag-improve ang kalusugan ko, ng pamilya ko, at higit sa lahat, isa akong housewife, nangangailangan talaga ako ng income. At nakita ko dito, Herbalife is not just an income or extra income. If you do it with all your heart, if you do it better, if you study the business po, talagang eto na yung ikakabuhay at pwede mong, you can live yung dreams mo na dati pangarap mo lang na magkaroon ng sasakyan. Meron na rin po ako. And then, isang housewife, ginawa ko yung business ko, full-time na ngayon. Nabigyan ako, ang isa sa pasasalamat ko is nabigyan ako ng 10-year multiple entry US visa when I qualified to Guam vacation. Di ba? Napakaganda ng company called Herbalife. That's why I love Herbalife. So now, I am very, very passionate to share at maging kabilang dito sa BNC at mabigyan ng mga ganitong task to share yung special topic. So let's proceed to my special topic for you. And it's all about digestive health. Yan. At napakaganda na mayroon tayong balance. Dahil dyan, tatanungin ko kayo, okay ka ba tiyan? Diba? Kasi kapag magandang pakiramdam mo sa tiyan, definitely, buong araw mo, mabibless ka, maganda, marami ka magagawa. Naranasan ko yan personally. So, ngayon, ikukwento ko, paano, isi-share ko paano ba natin maa-achieve yung tinatawag na balance, lalo na sa ating digestive health. Let's proceed to our next slide po. Ano ba ang tinatawag na digestion? It refers to the breakdown of food into smaller components that can be absorbed into the bloodstream. No, yung digestion turns your food into fuel. No? So kailangan talaga ma-digest siya properly para tayo ay fueled. Kung hindi, malalamya ka o manlalambot ka or hindi clear yung mga gusto mong gawin. Kasi di ba sometimes tayo ay very passionate and we are so motivated to do everything that we can. But because hindi maganda ang pakiramdam sa digestion natin, lahat tayo nakakaramdam ka ng panghihina, hindi clear yung gusto mong mangyari sa araw na to. 'Di ba? Kaya it's about time na bigyan natin ng pansin nito. So, keeping your organs and systems working, yun napakahalaga to. So, healthy digestion helps you get the most of this fuel. But there's more. It can also affect your weight, energy, skin, and immune function. So, let's talk about kung paano natin improve ang lahat ng na-mention ko, weight, energy, skin, and immune function. Yan. Ito ang kailangan mo. Take note of this. You can screenshot or you can down, no? So, number one na napakahalaga is our tinatawag na nating your daily dose of balance. Number one, we need yung tinatawag na probiotics. Bakit? Napakahalaga because these beneficial bacteria are naturally found in your body, mainly in the gastrointestinal tract. So, ngayon, i-introduce ko sa inyo itong good bacteria, introducing yung good bacteria into your system. Ito po ay directly in the form of probiotics at nakakatulong ito to balance yung composition of your bacteria in your gut. Alam nyo, ito po ang aking i-recommend sa inyo. Napakahalaga, you just have to, ano po talaga, kailangan lang natin talagang isama sa budget kasi napakaganda ng tinatawag nating Simply Probiotic ng Herbalife. Ito yung ating product. Because this product, no, this probiotic, kailangan mo because hindi mo may iwasan yung minsan, di ba, poor diet, nandiyan pa rin yan. Yung stress, kasama mo yan sa araw-araw. So, mahahandle mo yan ng maganda if you feel good from within. Lack of exercise and other environmental factors affect the balance in our digestive system. Agree? Diba? And kapag hindi balanse ang ating digestive health, this can lead to bloating. Ang sama ng pakiramdam kapag bloated ka, mga discomfort, headache, lahat tayo may stress, right? So, every day, may bad bacteria rin. So, it always there. To counteract, ito ang dapat natin gagawin. Consume good bacteria to fight bad bacteria to control the bad effects of bad bacteria. Tama. So, itong ating probiotics, tumutulong to sa regularity of your bowel movement. Isa pa, more information about probiotics. Bakit kailangan mo to sa araw-araw mo? Because ang ating probiotic is patented, meron siyang patented BC30, tinatawag na Bacillus coagulans. Meron siyang, ibig sabihin, meron siyang billions of unique strain of good bacteria. It will not get destroyed until it reaches your small intestines where the conditions are just right. Matibay talaga siya. Pwede mo siyang i-bake, pwede mo siyang i-boil, ihalo sa mga boiled mo na ginagawa. Pwede mo siyang i-freeze at kahit squeeze mo siya, hindi mababago yung benefit na makukuha mo dito. So again, unlike other brands in the market, yung ating probiotic, it has 70% of them dies, 'di ba? Yung sa market natin as it enters your stomach. Pero yung atin, na simple probiotic, yan, napakaganda, perfect 100%. Probiotic is tasteless. It will not alter your taste. Hindi mababago. Walang aftertaste siya. So napakaganda. You can mix it with your aloe, with your tea, with your shake, with your food. Anything na para makapag-improve ng iyong digestion. So probiotic is your gut's best friend. Okay? So other source po ng probiotic natin, yung mga fermented foods such as yogurt, sauerkraut, tempeh, kimchi, and miso, as well as supplements. So, para madala mo sa araw-araw kung saan ka pupunta, simply bring your Simply Probiotic. Yan. So, next, number 2, ang kailangan naman natin is yung tinatawag na fiber. Napakahalaga po talaga ng fiber because there are two kinds of fiber. We have yung soluble fiber. Ito po ay matatagpuan naman sa apple, oats, barley, beans, yan. And other source naman ng fiber natin is yung tinatawag na also known as rough age, can be found in whole grain foods, yan, bran and certain types of vegetables. So, since ang katawan natin, kailangan natin pareho, tama? Parehas natin kailangan yung soluble at insoluble fiber. At napakaganda yan dahil dito sa Herbalife, together with your fruits and vegetables na favorite mo dyan sa iyong table, sa iyong bahay, sa iyong rep, or sa iyong nutrition club, no? Kung saan ka man nandoon. Aim to have a fruit of vegetable with every meal or snack. But napakaganda nito. Ang mga recommendation ko po, i-take note niyo po yung nasa baba ng mga Herbalife products natin. Napakaganda. Number one, we have fiber bond. Yan, iniinom po siya 30 minutes before meals. Before shake, before regular meal. Ito yung tinatawag natin a fat blocker. Napakaganda kasi kapag ikaw ay talaga nagbawas, no? Lahat po ng mga nakadikit na mamantika ng kinain mo the past few months, weeks, lahat yan mararamdaman mo talagang sasama siya. Fiber and herbs naman, really, ito talagang kaibigan ko to araw-araw. Hindi, I cannot live without fiber and herbs din talaga. Kasi, especially sa nag-age, aminin na natin sa mga aging. Hindi lang sa aging nakita ko sa mga 13, 14 years old na mga bata, nag-experience na rin sila ng constipation. And I recommend this fiber and herbs 2 tablet 3 times a day after meals naman siya. And yung vitamin and minerals, napakahalaga yan. Tinatawag yung F2, di ba, sa atin. Bakit tinatawag siyang F2? Pangalawa siya sa ating shake na F1. Especially if you know, meron po kayong mga alaga sa program or ikaw mismo, bago ka sa program, nag-a-adjust ka kasi ngayon, hindi na ganun kadami ang kinakain mo tulad ng dati. So take vitamin and minerals, 1 tablet 3 times a day after meals para maiwasan yung kabag, headache. Ito nakakatulong para sa mga yung nakakabalanse sa iyo para ma-adjust ka sa program yung mga hindi ka nagutumin because of vitamin and minerals. Okay? So, yung isa pa naman sa kaliwa is we have our mineral herbal complex. Mayaman sa potassium, maganda siya sa merong mga liquid, I mean yung mga retention, fluid retention. Diyan, yung mga, lahat tayo, di ba, meron pa majority of us, may mga taba sa bato, sa braso, sa likod, dito, dyan. So, take mineral herbal complex, yan, 1 tablet, 3 times a day after meals. Yan. So, yan ang aking mga tips for you about fiber. So next, we have naman yung tinatawag nating fluids. Napakahalaga because proper hydration affects all of our body functions. Most people need between 8 and 12 cups of water a day. But in our program, kung napapansin nyo po, sa ating meal guide na ibinibigay ng mga coaches at ikaw mismo, ang recommendation ko po is i-follow mo yung meal guide na ibinigay ng coach mo. So, to continue, this can include plain water. Yan. Yung plain water, ito na yung pinakamura at pinaka-safe na inumin mo araw-araw. No? So, gaano kadaming tubig kung ikaw ay nasa weight loss program? We recommend po 3 to 4 liters of water daily. At kahit wala ka pa sa weight loss kasi napakahalaga po ng proper hydration. Maganda yan sa balat. Di ba kanina yung mention natin? Sa weight, para minsan kasi hindi ka kaagad naglo-lose ng weight. Bakit? Kulang ka sa tubig. Kasi minsan ang dinidikta ng sinasabi ng brain mo, you need solid food kasi nagugutom ka. But ang totoo niyan, your body is just crying out of water. Kaya drink more water. For better, for healthy weight, for better skin. Tapos mas maganda, mas klaro yung iyong focus if you have more energy because of because of these fluids, water intake. At maganda rin samahan mo nito. Yung water mo, lagyan mo siya ng herbal aloe concentrate natin. And it comes with 3 flavors naman, di ka magsasawa. Meron tayong mango flavor, mandarin, and the original. Ihalo mo yan sa shake mo. And to make it complete, why not try mo na to? Yung aloe, yan, tea and shake. To make your healthy breakfast, yan, healthy breakfast na yan, and to make your life and your daily life complete. Right? So yan. Next, please. And of course, huwag kakalimutan ng pang-apat. Exercise, nakakatulong to talaga sa stress reduction. Ako, personally, I really, really recommend exercise tayo every day. Tulad ng sinabi ni Mother Eileen, at least 30 minutes mag-walk, it is good. Every day, you do it. Exercise isn't just for the muscles. It is also good for your digestive tract. No? As your muscles contract and your breath yan, deepens, during activity, The natural contractions of your intestinal muscles are stimulated too, which helps to move food through your system. So, exercise is also a great stress reducer. Yeah, napakahalaga kasi naramdaman ko 'yan. 'Di ba minsan sa mga coaches at saka sa mga nasa program na natin. Bakit ba ako ay nag-aaloti shake na and all? Okay naman yung fluid ko. Bakit parang kulang pa rin ang focus ko sa mga gusto kong gawin? Why? Because our body is designed to move. You need to add exercise at least 30 minutes a day or 20 to 30 minutes a day para mas maging focus ka at mas may energy ka to do more things. Okay? So, next please. So make your health, make health your number one priority. Good mental and physical health leads to a good life. So this is yung pillars of good health natin na na-mention. Nutrition, number one, water, physical activity, rest, community like this, and lahat kahit sa saang lugar, saan ka nandun ngayon, meron kang community sa inyong clubhouse, sa inyong barangay, lahat yan pwede mong mapuntahan at makapag-share tayo ng good nutrition and mental well-being. Lahat ito kompleto dito sa ating virtual nutrition club every day. Dinidiscuss at sinishare for us to get better every day at ma-remind tayo. So ang ating next slide is, eto na po. We are very proud po tayo. Napaka-proud because Herbalife is really according to source Euromonitor International Limited, Herbalife is the number one in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined. We are number one in weight management and well-being, and we are number one in active and lifestyle nutrition. At isa pa, tayo ay na-award as super brands, meaning pag tinawag ang super brands, meron tayong seal of good quality. So, ito ang iiwanan ko sa inyo. You don't have to eat less. You just have to eat right. So, my name is Benny. I would like to say thank you for having me this morning. Thank you.